String floss is out, water flossers are in, and in 2026, the options have never been better, smarter, or more travel-friendly. Whether you want ADA certified clinical performance or a 95-day battery that goes everywhere you do, there's a water flosser on this list built for your routine. Subscribe before we dive in. New breakdowns go up every week. The Waterpik Ion is the best all-around cordless water flosser on the market right now, and CNN_ called it the best of both worlds. Countertop power in a cordless form. MedGrade ranked it the highest overall among 25 clinically evaluated water flossers, praising its full 10-setting pressure range from 10 to 100 PSY. The same range traditionally exclusive to corded plug-in units. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery runs for up to 4 weeks on a single charge, and the 90-second water tank capacity means no mid-session refills. The 650 milliliter reservoir handles 3 full cleanings before needing a top-up. 7 flossing tips are included, covering standard, orthodontic, implant, and specialized care, plus a built-in timer and 30-second pacer to guide thorough coverage. The magnetic handle cradle keeps countertop clutter minimal, and global voltage compatibility makes it travel-ready. The only trade-off worth noting is noise. It runs louder than most competitors. For daily home use with clinical-grade pressure and no power cord, the Waterpik Ion is the benchmark pick. All the links are in the description. Go check it out. The Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 earns its place through a genuinely innovative approach. The X-shaped quad stream nozzle tip splits the water flow into 4 separate jets simultaneously, covering more interproximal surface area and the gum line in a single pass compared to a standard single jet design. Clinical studies show it can be up to 150% more effective than string floss for improving gum health. Pulse wave technology delivers brief pauses between pulsations to prompt you to move to the next tooth row. A useful guide that reduces the learning curve for first-time water flosser users. 2 cleaning modes, clean and deep clean. And 3 pressure levels cover everything from daily maintenance to more thorough sessions. IPX. 7 waterproofing makes shower use completely safe, and USB-C charging is a practical convenience over proprietary connectors. Battery life runs approximately 14 days on a full charge. Shorter than the Waterpik Ion, but consistent for daily use. For anyone who wants a faster, more efficient flossing session driven by innovative nozzle technology, the Sonicare 3000 is the one to consider. The usmile C10 is the travel specialist on this list. Its collapsible design saves 40% more space than standard portable flossers, and the 95-day battery life is genuinely exceptional. You will charge this device once every 3 months under typical daily use. The Gadgeteer reviewed it as a capable, flexible daily flosser with good cleaning performance and solid travel credentials. 4 cleaning modes, massage, soft, standard, and intense, adapt to sensitive gums or heavy cleaning needs. 3 interchangeable nozzles cover standard daily use, a guidance tip for beginners, and an orthodontic tip with a built-in mini brush for braces. The 180 milliliter water tank and 360-degree rotating nozzles handle thorough coverage without a countertop reservoir. IPX. 7 waterproofing covers shower use, and the unit is dentist recommended for braces, implants, and sensitive gums. The one trade-off is a proprietary charging cable rather than universal USB-C. But for travelers, frequent flyers, and anyone who wants an extremely long-lasting compact flosser that takes up almost no bag space, the usmile C10 is the go-to. The Moon Cordless. Water flosser is the beginner-friendly pick, and CNN_ used it as their first foray into water flossing for exactly that reason. 2 cleaning modes, gentle and deep clean, make the entry into water flossing approachable without overwhelming new users with too many settings. The powerful water stream removes twice the plaque of string floss while staying genuinely gentle on the gum line. The 210 milliliter water tank delivers up to 90 seconds of continuous flow per fill, and 4 interchangeable 360-degree rotating tips target teeth, gums, and tongue, including a tongue scraper, which is less common in this category. An 8-week battery life handles daily use comfortably between charges, and the one-button operation keeps the experience simple and low maintenance. The body is straight and slightly thick compared to more ergonomically shaped competitors, which some users find less comfortable for extended sessions. But for anyone stepping into water flossing for the first time and wanting an effective, approachable, no-fuss device that delivers real results, the Moon Cordless is a strong and confidence-inspiring starting point. Closing with the Waterpik Cordless. Advanced 2.0, the ergonomic flagship of Waterpik's handheld lineup. MedGrade called it a superior portable oral irrigator, praising its rapid 4-hour magnetic USB charging system as a key differentiator over slower charging competitors. The contoured handle and textured grip prevent slippage in wet bathroom and shower conditions, making it one of the most practical flossers for daily shower use. The 1,250 parts per million pulsatile motor delivers 45 to 75 pounds per square inch across 3 pressure settings. 4 specialist tips are included: plaque seeker, orthodontic, classic jet, and tongue cleaner, covering braces, implants, bridges, and standard cleaning. The 207 milliliter reservoir provides up to 45 seconds of flossing time, and the battery lasts up to 4 weeks per charge. Global voltage compatibility and an included microfiber travel bag make it a serious travel companion. 80 accepted, with a 2-year limited warranty. For anyone who wants Waterpik's proven clinical effectiveness in the most ergonomically refined handheld form available, the Cordless Advanced 2.0 delivers. All the links and purchasing details for every flosser on this list are in the description below. Those are your 5 best water flossers of 2026. From clinical-grade cordless powerhouses to a 95-day battery travel companion. Your gums will thank you no matter which one you pick. Drop your choice in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.